Welcome, you're watching DPI Anchor Academy channel where talent is born. In this episode, watch how we use rice to create amazing pattern on your cover set. Let's check it out. Step 1. Sand the surface using Sandpaper grit 400, followed by grit 1000. Ensure there's no more dust or oil on the surface before spray painting. Next, spray primer on the cover set to give a smooth and even paint surface. Spray white as undercoat color. Allow to dry. Spray on a few of your favorite colors randomly. Take some cooked rice and mash it together to form soft texture. Stick the rice mixture all over the cover set. Then, spray on black on the entire surface and allow it to dry completely. Remove the sticky rice and wash the cover set properly using Dishwashing Liquid. I bet you never imagined rice can create just an amazing result. Another great idea to try to create a stunning cover set. Finally, spray on top clear coat for a closing look and color maintenance. There you have it, amazing result. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and bye bye.